Gave it to her. Say hi.
Hi.
Hey. Hi.
Hi. Hi.
Hi. Is that Vaseline? Huh?
Yeah.
Good. Let's see how pretty you look. Stand up. Come on. Elizabeth, come on. Show me the backside. Oh. Ah.
Hair up for a change?
Yeah.
Turn that off.
You can turn it off. Hey, you want to get me?
Look how handsome Chris is. There he is. Shirt and a tie. Ooh. What a good looking guy. He had a jacket on earlier. Let's look at the backside. Look at the backside. Check it out. Look at those bongo buns. On the bongo buns.
You're funny.
There's Chris.